विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कोरोना को वैश्विक संकट बताते हुए कहा कि इस पर एकजुट होकर ही जीत पाई जा सकेगी। कोरोना वायरस की दूसरे लहर के दौरान भारत को मिल रही विदेशी मदद को भारतीय विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने मदद का नहीं बल्कि दोस्ती का नाम दिया। एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि कोरोना वायरस सामूहिक समस्या और वैश्विक संकट है और भारत ने कोरोना वायरस की समस्या से निपटने के लिए दुनिया को काफी मदद दी है और अभी दुनिया हमारी मदद कर रही है। इसे आप मदद मानते हैं जबकि हमने इसे दोस्ती का नाम दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत कोरोना की दूसरी लहर से बुरी तरह प्रभावित है। लोगों के सामने कई समस्याएं खड़ी हो गई हैं, लेकिन घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है। केंद्र सरकार लोगों की मदद के लिए सब कुछ करने को तैयार है।
कोविड is a shared problem for the whole world. Okay. Now just look at last year. When it came, or even this year, when it came to medicines, okay, we gave medicines, hydroxychloroquine, paracetamol, we gave to the United States. Okay. We gave to Singapore, we gave to European countries. We sent a medical team to Kuwait. We gave actually vaccines to some countries in the Gulf. Now, would you have described it as aid? We described it actually as friendship, as support. I think, we have to understand the uniqueness of the problem we are facing today. Okay. So when you say it is not like what it was before, look, there was no COVID before. We've never really had in my lifetime, I'm older than you, I have never seen a global crisis of this proportion. A global crisis requires people to come together. So I think this kind of aid, these arguments, this is sort of point scoring. I think people are not connecting conceptually with the problem. They're not connecting emotionally with the suffering and the danger which is happening in India. When I look, the kind of situation which I'm seeing and you are seeing in Delhi, I'll do everything in my power to get help for people.
एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि जब कोई महामारी आती है तो तर्क और सवाल होते हैं। लोगों ने चुनाव के बारे में कहा है। हम एक लोकतांत्रिक देश हैं, लोकतंत्र में हम चुनाव नहीं रोक सकते।
Well, sadly, you are right. I wish it wasn't so. But what I can say is, look again. When it happened in other countries, including UK. When a pandemic hits a society very hard, there are questions, there are arguments, there is a lot of second guessing, you should have seen it coming, we could have told you so, etc. It's not unique to India. Okay, it's happened in other societies as well. In our case, yes, I'm very conscious of our own debate, obviously. It's something I hear and I'm involved with every day. People have spoken about elections. Now, obviously, we are a democratic country. You don't stop elections in a place like India. The only time I remember we stopped elections was an era which, some decades ago, when I was very much younger, where none of us really wants to be associated with that kind of memory. When I go abroad, I would try to make people understand these are my challenges. This is where international partnerships come into being. Yes, yesterday most of my meeting with Secretary Tony Blinken was actually devoted to what will be the solutions in India and the solutions abroad. And the heart of the matter will be vaccines.
विदेश मंत्री ने भारतीय दूतावासों से साफ कहा है कि वो कोरोना की रोकथाम के लिए जरूरी चीजों की आपूर्ति को सुनिश्चित करने पर ध्यान दें। विदेश मंत्री ने दूतावासों से कोरोना को लेकर देश में हो रही बहस को बहुत तवज्जो नहीं देने के लिए कहा। विदेश मंत्री ने यूके को भारत का अच्छा दोस्त बताया।
There were 4 big outcomes. There was a very, very detailed roadmap for the relationship till 2030 that we have worked out, which pretty much covers all aspects of what India and UK could be doing. There is a enhanced trade partnership which envisages a free trade agreement and which provides for some immediate economic trade gains for both parties. There was a global innovation partnership because that, as you know, UK has very strong technology and innovation skills and programs, and it's something where we have worked together in the past. We are trying to take it forward. And I myself actually signed the fourth outcome, which was the Migration and Mobility Partnership Agreement with Home Secretary Priti Patel. The UK has really been a very, very solid friend. I mean, we are getting, oxygen plants, oxygen concentrators, cylinders to address the oxygen challenge, cryogenic tanks. And you, of course, know the vaccine collaboration we have. I mean, the COVID Shield is an outcome of that, which is the main vaccine that is made in India. Our scientists are working together on sequencing as well. So, it's it's an important day today for the relationship, but it's also a day today when I feel sitting in UK the enormous support, the feeling which people in UK, the Indian community here has for the COVID situation, and how much they would actually like to contribute to our efforts to deal with.
एस जयशंकर ने कोरोना की महामारी को पूरी दुनिया के लिए चुनौती बताया है। उन्होंने कहा कि अभी भारत इससे गुजर रहा है। भारत में इस महामारी के गंभीर होने के कई कारण हैं। वैश्विक महामारी से निपटने के लिए विदेश मंत्री ने सभी देशों से साथ आने की अपील की। उन्होंने कहा कि दुनिया की मदद के लिए पहले भारत अपनी भूमिका निभा चुका है। कोविड-19 जैसी वैश्विक महामारी से निपटने के लिए साझा प्रयासों की जरूरत है। भारत ने इस वैश्विक प्रयास में अपनी भूमिका निभाई। उनके मुताबिक G7 में उनका यही संदेश होगा।
The G7 had its own agenda. This G7, and there are 4 of us who are guests, ourselves, Australia, South Korea, and South Africa. The agenda already had COVID very much in it, because it is today the biggest challenge, which not just India, the entire world faces. Now, when it comes to the G7 foreign ministers, bear in mind, I am pretty much continuously in touch with all of them. Now, they actually have been through it, many of them. The US has been through it, UK has been through it, Germany, France, Italy, and not just been through it. I mean, they've been through a very, very severe form of it last year and the beginning of this year. In fact, if you look at the, proportionally, in many cases, their intensity is as much as we are going through right now in India. In some ways, it is even more than what we are going through. And a lot of our situations and our stresses today, the hospital situation, the oxygen situation, look, New York has seen it, France has seen it, Italy has seen it. So I was, in fact, though he's not here, just coming in, was talking to my counterpart in Portugal. And he was telling me, he said, look, we just a few months ago, we went through it. We had the highest per capita cases and fatalities. So, but we've come through it. So I think my message going into G7 is, look, this is a global challenge. Everybody knows that. All of you have been through it. We are going through it right now. There are various factors and reasons why it's as serious and severe as it is. And global problems, a global pandemic requires a global effort. And in the past, we have contributed to that global effort.
विदेश मंत्री ने ये बातें ऐसे समय पर कही है जब अमेरिका, ब्रिटेन और दूसरे देशों से भारत के लिए मदद पहुंच रही है। अभी तक अमेरिका से भारत में चिकित्सा उपकरण, ऑक्सीजन और कोविड-19 से जुड़ी सामग्री लेकर 5 विमान आ चुके हैं।
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।